What's up YouTube, Champagne Capo once again bringing you another video. Testing out this new mic. I'm still talking a little low, but I got a new mic right here. Check this out. Hopefully this improves the quality, and I got a little reveal slash scratch for you. It's a pretty good one. $50 right there, number 19 and number 19. Hold on, let me clip this to my collar. Alright, hopefully it's not muffled, but we have number 19 and 19 for $50 and a 45 and 45. Let's see what else it could be. Hopefully it's another $50. Alright, $75 guys. This ticket does give those type of wins, 75, 150, but $20 ticket turned to 75, $55 profit. Appreciate it guys. Hopefully the mic works out. So, and I broke my phone in the process of trying to clean my mic, so I had to pay somebody to fix the mic in there, but I bought an external one just in case. So enjoy your day. Champagne Capo out. Peace.